This is probably a video that's a little bit overdue, but I wanted to take you guys on a walkthrough of my setups. This over here is my 3D print slash second gaming setup. This over here is my main PC and gaming setup. Decorations, we'll do those first. I got my Warzone maps right here. This is from TikTok Shop. Got some more stuff over here, some keyboards. These two are not custom, obviously, the other three are. We got some Skatis stuff over here hanging up, some decorations in the corner, old GPUs. Over here we got a controller, some Lego stuff. In here we just got a bunch of stuff hanging up. We'll talk about that in a minute. Here's my two logos, my old one, my new one. I haven't decided on a very new logo. I think it's time to change it up from the weird face logo, but maybe we should keep the face in there as part of it. This setup over here, my 3D print setup, and we have some controllers, Xbox type stuff, some PC stuff, a little Lego gaming PC, my benchies, and some keyboards. And then we have some 3D prints right here, as well as some mice. Check out those Gravistar mice, they're actually pretty sick. Let's go through this setup first. Babylab A1 combo with the AMS light hanging on the wall there. Currently we're printing a little project. We'll talk about that in some shorts, and maybe we'll make a build video of it. This setup over here is an LG Ultra Gear 32-inch 1440p monitor and a Scepter 1080p, just 75 hertz monitor. Let's take that off, matter of fact. It has a Gigabyte 3080, Ryzen 7 5700G, 32 gigabytes of G.Skill RAM, kind of hard to see. Inside, it's an X570i ROG motherboard. Other than that, pretty simple setup. I did 3D print a riser on top to fit a 240mm radiator in here with the 850 watt SFX power supply and the 3080 on the bottom. There's not a lot of room in this case. TikTok Shop, standing desk, TikTok Shop, like ergonomic office chair. Great cable management happening down there. Some curtain lights up here. Another standing desk from TikTok Shop. They are actually pretty good quality. We obviously got some tools for the 3D prints and some little storage right here. Nothing too crazy. That's my first gaming setup. I used to use this PC as my streaming PC. Before it had the 3080 in it, I was just using the Ryzen 7 5700G built-in graphics for that. Let's move on to our main gaming setup. We'll talk about the PC first. It's a Ryzen 9 3900X. We have the MSI Gaming X Trio 3090. The Asus ROG Dark Hero, and the Height Y60. This is probably one of my favorite builds ever. Let's boot her up. Right now I have it themed as like an orange type thing, but it always starts up with the lights, just RGB, whatever. 32 gigabytes of RAM as well. This thing probably has about 6 terabytes of SSD in it for storage. The Arzopa monitor from TikTok Shop is my secondary. This is also a 32-inch 1440p LG Ultra Gear monitor. Walmart sells them for $200. I think it's a good deal. The desk is an old frame from a IKEA desk that used to be about 55 or 60 inches. I put an 8-foot butcher block top on it, just some wood screws up through. Bam, works perfect. Got a little drawer there for some storage. This used to be the PC I used for the 3D print setup. Obviously, we don't need that anymore. It is a little touchscreen, so it is very convenient to have it around. We forgot the closet. So over here on the left side of the closet, we have all my 3D print stuff right here, and some random tools just thrown everywhere. Drawer full of cables like everybody has that likes tech. Just got rid of the sim racing setup, so we still have the wheel and pedals because the guy already had one. Got some random sponsored video tech type stuff. We got some more stuff over here. Printer is in the closet. That's a good place to keep it because it's big and ugly. And we have all my desk pads sitting up here. Obviously, you guys can see what brand I like. Deskar, however you want to call it. They got the best desk pads. Obviously, up here, we just have more random storage and decorations for the seasonal stuff that I keep there. Random sponsor video tech or stuff that I've bought that I keep boxes to. Because, you know, we all keep boxes. Another one that I need to do a video on over there. And then my daughter just has this random table that she keeps all her toys on because I don't want them all over the floor in here. Yes, I let my kid in here. She hangs out. She has never broken anything. You just got to teach your kids to be a little bit respectful of your stuff. Yes, I do let her sit at the desk and draw and do stuff and check out the PCs. I let her help me. Overall, there it is. One big wide shot of it. Let me know in the comments what you guys think, what your setup is, what your specs are on your PCs, what you guys like to game on, or join the Discord in the links, and then you can throw your setup pics in there, and maybe I'll do a setup rating video. Thanks for watching.